Hello everyone, welcome back to B10X, where we make learning AI and productivity tools 10x easier. Today we're diving into a tool that's been the backbone of data analysis for decades, Microsoft Excel. Millions of businesses and professionals depend on Excel every day, but let's be honest, getting real insights out of it hasn't always been easy. Between formulas, pivot tables and conditional formatting, it can feel like you need a mini degree just to get started, but that's changing. Microsoft is now adding AI features to Excel, making data analysis as easy as typing a question. Literally. So in this video, I'll show you how AI in Excel can give you powerful insights with just one click or one smart question, even if you're not an Excel expert. Let's get into it. Alright, so here we are inside Excel and I've got some sample sales data from the cookie company. Now typically, to get any insights from this, you'd have to write a bunch of formulas or set up pivot tables. But instead, I'm going to show you something way cooler. Excel's built-in Analyze Data feature powered by AI. Let's explore it step by step. Make sure you're on the Home tab, then head over to the far right and click on Analyze Data. A sidebar opens up and this right here is where the magic happens. Think of it like Excel's AI assistant. It's ready to answer your questions about the data. For example, let's say I want to know how many units we sell each day and visualize that as a line chart. I'll just type in units sold per day as a line chart and hit enter, and boom, Excel automatically generates a visual showing daily sales across different products. That's AI doing the heavy lifting. No functions, no formatting, just a question. Now let's tweak that. What if I want to see the data by month instead of by day? Easy. I'll just change day to month in the question, press enter again, and instantly Excel gives me a monthly chart. Want a column chart instead of a line chart? Just change the word to column. Want to ditch charts altogether and see a table view? Just ask Excel for a table instead of a visual and you're good to go. You can literally shape your view of the data just by adjusting the phrasing of your question. So far, we've been asking all the questions, but what if we let Excel find the insights for us? Let's try asking, are there any date trends? Excel scans the data and look at that, it identifies that December 3rd and 12th are outliers with super high sales. Basically, December is a big month for cookie sales and this insight popped up in seconds. No formula, no manual work, just AI at your service. Let's now ask any product insights and here's what we find. Chocolate chip cookies outselling every other variety by a big margin. So if you're a cookie company, you better protect that recipe with your life. Knowing what's selling best helps drive smarter decisions. Stock, marketing, promotions, everything. Now, here's a fun one. Who are our best customers? Let's type in revenue by customer. Looks like Stop and Snack gives us the most total revenue. But wait, what if we want to know average revenue per customer? Excel suggests a more specific query, average revenue by customer ID. Click on it and now we see that Wholesome Foods actually brings in more revenue per order than anyone else. So maybe they deserve a little VIP treatment, huh? Now don't worry, AI isn't replacing analysts just yet. There are limits. If I ask Excel, what is total profit? Ideally, it should subtract cost from revenue, but instead it just gives me the total revenue. Even if I type total revenue minus total cost, it shows both values, but it doesn't calculate the difference. So yeah, it gets close, but it's not perfect yet. If you're not sure what to ask, don't worry. Excel gives example questions and pre-generated insights too. Scroll through the pane and you might see gems like revenue by customer ID, units sold peaks in December, top selling product, chocolate chip. Just click on any suggestion to explore. It's like having an analyst whispering insights into your ear without the consulting fee. And here's a tip for best results. Make sure your Excel table has clear headers. Also, try to be specific with your questions. Instead of sales performance, ask units sold per month as column chart. Precision matters, and that's how you can use AI in Microsoft Excel to uncover powerful insights. No coding, no formulas, just good questions. It's not about knowing every function in Excel anymore. It's about learning to ask better questions and letting AI do the number crunching for you. If this helped you out, give this video a like, drop a comment if you want a part 2, and don't forget to subscribe to B10X for more tips to 10x your productivity with AI. See you in the next one.